All right, so we are at Mr. Jeff Churchill's property. Today is March 1st, 2023, 67 degrees out right now. We got coverage for, I believe, 70 shingles. Allstate agreed that this roof is repairable. So what we have done, and you'll see a drone footage of this, we have identified the damaged shingles that got coverage. We have chalked them up, the areas of repair and whatnot, and what we're here to do today is just simulated repair, see if this shingle can't withstand the mechanics of a proper repair. Right now, common and proper roofing tools, we got a flat bar, we got a hammer, and we got some sealant, right? So let me put this out. So we have identified the shingle. You can see it's a wind damaged shingles. You can see the crease in there. And first things first, we gotta unseal the shingles that we need to unnail in order to slide this one out. We're gonna provide close-ups and anything if we find material transfers, if there's granule loss, if there's creasing, any issues that we run. We're gonna document it and it'll be in this video. So first step, we're just gonna break the seal on these shingles. And we're gonna try to be as careful as possible. So in this case, actually the shingle ends here. So we're gonna move just one tab, which will be this, and then here. Yeah, so that's the end of the shingle. This one, this one. No material transfer at this point. All right, everything looks good so far. So now we gotta remove the nail. And as you can see, if you get close up, the nail's already like getting through the shingle. And we're trying to be as careful as possible, but you see how it's like over penetrating? So that's gonna be an issue. It's breaking the shingles, and we're trying to be super careful with this. Same story, as you can see, the nail head, it's already ripping off through the shingle, so it's not even holding, and it's already showing some fibers and whatnot on the shingle. Try to be super careful with this. Did good. This one too, it penetrated. We're just trying to be as careful, but the fasteners are pulling through. That's not good. Okay. Second row. That's pretty good. Same. Fasteners are just pulling through. Trying to be very careful not to break the other shingles, because the nail needs to come completely up and there's no other way. And as you can see, even just trying to get out the nail, I mean, this shingle's already taking a beating. Again, fastener is pulling through, and we're just going pretty slow. Typically this is not a normal speed or way to replace a shingle. Again, we're just trying to be super fair in documenting this. Again, see, we're just trying to lift the shingle and you can see it's ripping off, it's breaking. Just pulling it. You can see like material and whatnot, but anyways. Here's our old shingle. You can see the nail pull-throughs, you can see the fibers and whatnot is breaking through the shingle. So that's already a negative side on this. This is our replacement shingle. This is just to demonstrate and document this simulator repair. It's a brand new shingle, great to have as well. So we're just gonna try and see how this roof behaves. I'm gonna slide this new one in. Nice. Standard roofing nail with my hammer. In here, this is just the minimal lift, as you can see, to place the nail and the hammer. If I swing at this angle right now, I'm gonna completely bust the base of this shingle, so I gotta protect it a little bit. I need to go a little bit higher. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is gonna put my hand in here and protect it with one nail. Same in here, minimal lift. And as you can see, granny loss. Let's take a close up. You can see all that granule loss. Just from that process, we can already see a crease. If we try to do something like that any other way on the roof, it's not coming off. This is how we know this roof is not repairable. This is just creating more damage around one shingle. The damage is completely spread out throughout the roof. This shingle is not repairable. So what we're gonna do is gonna remove this new shingle. We're gonna reinstall the old one as a temporary repair. We're gonna provide you this video and, like I said, some drone footage on all the shingles that are damaged and close-ups as well. Thank you.